In light of the law and order situation in Manipur going down once again after the latest drone attacks, the Manipur police has decided to procure medium machine guns. It has also sought help from specialists to train its personnel. So what exactly is the Manipur police doing in this regard? This is a letter that we have managed to access. This is a letter written to the 57th Mountain Division of Manipur by the Assistant Director of Administration in the local government there, requesting for instructors to train the Manipur police in the newly procured medium machine guns. 7.62 medium machine guns at K21 have been procured from the ordnance factory at Jabalpur as per this letter. And it goes on to say that since the personnel in Manipur are not equipped, they're not trained to handle such a weapon, if the 57th Mountain Division would carry out a training, 21-day training from the 9th of September 2024. The schedule of this 21-day training is to be discussed as well. So Kuki groups have reacted to say that this is one more way of, Manipur police trying to use the strong arm to hit them, because they have been unhappy with the local government, local administration for some time now. It seems that the Meitei groups are also not too happy with the role of the paramilitary forces. One of the Bharatiya Janata Party MLAs having written to Home Minister Amit Shah that the paramilitary forces are just mute spectators to the unending cycle of violence, and they should be called back. So both sides are unhappy with the situation, with the law and order situation. If you speak to the policemen on the ground, be it from the local police or be it from the paramilitary, or if you speak to the administration, they will tell you that the real way forward in the cycling of violence is to get both sides on the talking table. There is a one-man commission that's trying to lead the talks, but not making much headway. Home Minister's intervention, the centre's intervention has been requested for. But in the midst of all this particular letter where the Manipur police has requested for training for handling this medium machine guns, and has once again led to some concern whether the stronger force is going to be used against one particular community. Meanwhile, there are also allegations that have been made against one of the tribal, Kuki ministers. Mr. Haukip has been accused of, this is an accusation that has been made against Letpao Haukip. He's a Kuki minister. And the allegation has come from a little-known group based here in Delhi. And Mr. Haukip has denied the charge. He said this is an attempt to make the Manipur crisis, which is an ethnic crisis, into a religious one. The police says they're still investigating as to who was the mastermind or who were the people responsible for the drone attacks that happened in Manipur. Back-to-back two drone attacks in which grenades were dropped or, crude bombs were dropped aerially from drones, killing at least 2 civilians there. So that is still being investigated. Meanwhile, the last 2 to 3 days have seen relative peace, and everyone is hopeful that after the brief, violence that happened after the crude bombs were dropped, perhaps the uneasy calm will prevail for some time.